Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix not logging into your ADP mobile solutions app. Now if you are facing the problem of not being able to log into your ADP mobile solutions apps, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it and know how to fix it. Now to do so, you need to simply firstly open ADP mobile solutions app on device and try to log in. So if you are not being able to log in, then you need to simply go on your app store on a device, and now you need to search ADP mobile solutions app. Now after searching ADP mobile solutions, click on the app and see if there is any update available on a device. Now if you may also not be able to log into your account if there is any update left to do on a device. Now if you have updated and have tried to sign in again, and if you are not being able to sign in again, then you need to go on settings and click on the option of general and click on the option of iPhone storage. Now under iPhone storage you'll be able to see the number of apps which you have downloaded. So search ADP mobile solutions app right here. Now you'll see the option of ADP mobile solutions right here, so click on it, and now you need to click on the option of offload app. Now by doing offload you'll be able to free up some storage used by the app, but it will keep the documents and data in it, and it is also known as reinstalling app. So click on the option of offload. Now by clicking offload app you will be able to fix the errors which are happening on a device. Now click on the option of reinstall app to reinstall it again on a device. So by doing this you'll be able to log into your ADP mobile solutions app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.